So now you can finally go and add multiple AI agents in GoHighLevel at no additional costs. And this can happen if you log into your sub account. By the way, for those of you who don't have GoHighLevel, check out our 30-day free trial below. You would be able to go in. And as you can see, I'm in my sub account here. I want to go to settings, and then I want to go here to integrations, okay? You want to scroll down until you see right here, Open Router. You can connect multiple AI models with Open Router actions. So we can hit connect here. And as you can see, we'll need API keys. So go to openrouter.ai and sign up here. So I'll go and I'll sign up with my account here. Once I sign up with my account right here, as you can see, I will get my API key. So get an API key here, create, and then you can just hit test, or you can just name GHL, and then no expiration. And then here you have your API key. So you can simply copy this right here, paste it, hit save. And as you can see, that is now integrated inside GoHighLevel. Now that this is integrated, we can go back and we can go to the automations. So in the automation, you can actually use this trigger. So we can create a workflow here, start from scratch, and I will show you how this works. So right here, let's say we have, message, or not, let's say we have something else like contact created, okay? We can go to apps, and then here we should have an open router, yeah. So as you can see, it generated a response, and then here we can click on that. And as you can see, we can create a system input. So for example, generate a response for this contact that has been created. Prompt can be also something like custom. And then model, this is where you can choose the model. So you can integrate like 50 plus AI models within GoHighLevel, which is really, really cool. And as you can see, once you select the model, right, that's pretty much it. You can test the action as well. Now, I'm not sure if this is still available for other actions, like for example, an AI voice agent, because if you go back here, let's hit confirm. If we go to AI agents, here we have conversation AI or actually voice AI. And if we go here to the agent list, you actually can't go and can't add this inside, which is, as you can see, the ChatGPT model, right? You only have these models right here, which is, again, the models that are available from ChatGPT, but you don't actually have the, open router models, which we just showed right here. So again, if you want to test this for yourself, feel free to click the link below. We have 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel, and if you want to literally like automate half of your business, then this is definitely a perfect software for you. So if you have any questions, comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.